Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best scratch repair is probably one of the most annoying things that can happen to your phone. Those tiny scratches can be a real eyesore, making it hard to see what's on your screen. But before you rush to replace the whole screen, there's a solution. Today, we're diving into the world of cell phone screen scratch repair, exploring how to fix those pesky marks and get your screen looking fresh again. Number 5. ProofTech Liquid Glass Screen Protector. This is an advanced, invisible screen protector. It's designed to bond with your device's glass, offering superior protection. Made with silica dioxide, it fills in imperfections. This creates an extra layer of protection for your device. It adds a thin layer of glass, making the screen highly scratch and shatter resistant. This increases the glass's strength. The application is bubble-free and easy. It's perfect for curved screens and tablets, providing a universal fit. It works with all mobile devices, including phones, tablets, and smartwatches. It's also 100% compatible with fingerprint sensors. What we like. This product offers universal compatibility, meaning it works on all your devices, from phones to tablets and smartwatches. It provides a scratch and shatter-resistant layer, protecting your screens from everyday wear and tear. If you have multiple devices you want to protect, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Works great. I panicked when it looked all smeared, but after the 10-minute setting time, it buffs right out with the cloths. It's scratch-resistant, super clear, and easy to apply. This is a great alternative, and the picture on the screen seems much clearer without the traditional screen protector. Number 4. ProofTech Liquid Glass Screen Protector. This is a super durable, transparent liquid screen protector. It bonds to your device's glass, enhancing its resistance to scratches, moisture, and impacts. The protector creates an invisible coating, increasing your screen's hardness up to 9H. It's made of silica dioxide, microscopic glass particles in a liquid solution. It fills in screen imperfections, adding an extra layer of glass. Remember, it doesn't repair existing damage. Application is bubble-free and easy, with a universal fit. It's ideal for curved and foldable screens. Just wipe it on, and it's invisible. It doesn't affect fingerprint sensors and works with all mobile devices. The product is compatible with phones, tablets, and smartwatches. One bottle can protect up to 4 devices on average. Make sure to apply it to all your devices for optimal protection. What we like. This product provides enhanced impact resistance, safeguarding your screen from accidental drops and impacts. The bubble-free application ensures a smooth, clear finish. If you're looking for a simple, invisible way to protect your screen, this is the one for you. What people say. The screen looks brand new. The scratches are gone. Easy to use. Number 3. Liquid Ceramic Screen Protector, Universal Fit. This is a new and unique wipe-on screen protector. It bonds to your device's glass, providing enhanced scratch and shatter resistance. It's designed to protect your devices. It adds an invisible layer of glass, increasing the screen's strength to a 9H hardness level. This helps to protect it from scratches and potential damage. The product is designed to keep your screen safe. Liquid ceramic restores and improves the anti-fingerprint properties of your screen. It improves water and oil repellency, making the surface smoother and easier to clean. This feature makes it more convenient to use. It features a bubble-free, wipe-on application and a universal fit. This makes it ideal for curved screens and tablets. It's easy to apply to various devices. It's compatible with all mobile devices, including phones, tablets, and smartwatches. It's also 100% compatible with fingerprint readers and sensors. This product is designed for everyone. What we like. This product features an oleophobic coating, restoring and improving the anti-fingerprint properties of your screen. It enhances screen clarity, making it smoother to touch and easier to clean. If you like a screen that feels and looks pristine, you should consider this. What people say. The screen protector is easy to install. The screen protector is very clear and does not affect the display quality. The screen protector is very effective at preventing scratches. Number 2. CELLHELMET Liquid Glass Screen Protector. Worried about screen damage? This product offers a $300 screen repair guarantee. If your screen breaks, this product has you covered. Protect all your devices with this universal screen protector. It's designed for phones and smartwatches, keeping them safe from daily wear and tear. This product enhances your screen's durability with a nano coating. It's invisible and works with any case or accessory, making your screen tougher. Applying this screen protector is easy. Just wipe it on, let it dry, and buff it off. Immediately, your screen is strengthened at a molecular level. This product is made in America, ensuring superior craftsmanship. You can trust its quality and durability, built to last. What we like. This product comes with a screen repair guarantee, offering peace of mind against screen damage. It uses revolutionary glass strengthening technology to enhance durability. If you are prone to accidents and want financial protection, this is the best choice. What people say. First time installing it myself, but seemed pretty straightforward and easy. Easy to apply. Doesn't interfere with operations. CELLHELMET liquid glass binds at the microscopic level to fix and cosmetic manufacturing imperfections of the device. The end result is a more crack-resistant device. Number 1. ProofTech Liquid Glass Screen Protector. This is ProofTech Liquid Glass, a revolutionary screen protector. It's a super durable, invisible coating that bonds to your device's glass, offering superior protection. The liquid formula creates an invisible shield, significantly increasing the screen's resistance to impacts and shattering. It adds an extra layer of protection to your device. Once applied, it hardens to a 9H hardness level. This means the screen is highly scratch-resistant, keeping it looking newer for longer. ProofTech Liquid Glass is compatible with all mobile devices, including phones, tablets, and smartwatches. The wipe-on application is simple and bubble-free, perfect for curved screens. It doesn't interfere with fingerprint sensors and is completely invisible after application. Remember, you must register your device within 30 days to activate the screen repair coverage. With ProofTech, you're not just getting a screen protector, you're getting peace of mind. One bottle provides coverage for one device, so protect yours today. What we like. This product provides enhanced impact resistance, safeguarding your screen from accidental drops and impacts. The bubble-free application ensures a smooth, clear finish. If you're looking for a simple, invisible way to protect your screen, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is very easy to use to protect your phone from scratches caused by everyday use. My husband got this a year ago for his phone, and he has had no scratches in the year since he put it on. To use this product, you clean your phone with the wipe provided, put a few drops of the product on the screen and rub it in with the provided wipe, wait 10 minutes and buff to a shine. Very simple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.